Hi, this is Dhruti. I'm the author of The Resilient Entrepreneur, and welcome back to my series of videos where I'll be sharing more about my upcoming book. In my first video, I talked about what prompted me to write this book. Why resilience? Why about entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to share 2 core concepts out of the 6 main concepts that I've covered in the book. The first one is about finding your Polaris. What exactly is a Polaris? Well, it's your purpose statement, the one that will help you achieve your goals. And in the book, I've laid out 2 clear strategies that will help you create your very own Polaris, your very own purpose statement. The second concept is operating with a growth mindset. This concept has been popularized by Carol Dweck in her book Mindset. And why this is so close for an entrepreneur is because it will take you from a place of how did I mess up to how can I do better next time. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about 2 more concepts out of the 6 that I've covered in the book. Look forward to the launch and watch this space for more information related to the book. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video.